So we are back on this ensign today, and pretty much right on schedule as far as throwing some primer on here, except that we found this. So yesterday I had the owner spend the day picking up everything we need. I cut this out Friday or Saturday? Saturday. No, it was Friday. So it's pretty much all dry now. And we picked up some new coring. This is the old piece. We took out and we picked up some new coring. You can see down here in the mess. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put that in now, let that dry up, and then move on. Basically, hopefully it's a primer, which will be next step. But while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and prep. Here, let me hop down actually. While this is drying, I'm going to prep the bunks and that kind of stuff. Picked up this Nitacore, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all the bunks and bulkheads that we need. This is what, half inch? Yeah, half inch. I think we need 3/4 for the bulkhead still, but that'll be good enough to get me going. All the bunks came out in one piece, so it should be pretty simple to get those cut with like a jigsaw, that kind of thing. So I think that's what we're looking at for today. And what else am I doing? I'm gonna seal that up, cut these. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and grind this bottom repair out. See what we got. I don't trust that old repair, so I'm gonna remove it. And that's pretty much what we've got scheduled for today. So I'll make another update today, see how far we get.